Inside a colossal Himalayan, towering crystal wall. Machine A has completed the separation. Acknowledged.
Monitor the stability as the loader engages.
The processing journey officially begins. Nature meets industrial engineering. The medium-sized salt rocks enter high-capacity cone crushers, where rotating crushing chambers reduce them into uniform crystal-sized. Selected pink salt crystals enter large stainless steel washing drums, where purified water gently removes natural dust. Deviled. The damp pink salt enters enormous stainless steel drying tunnels, where carefully controlled warm air circulates.
Billions of dried salt crystals race beneath advanced transversal sorting cameras, catering color difference.
Purity is at 99.8%. Exceeds international standards. We are cleared for batch release.
Selected premium crystals enter precision air classifier mills, where they are transformed into silky smooth table salt powder. Premium quality is selected one crystal at a time. Luxury begins with careful selection. The vision system caught that smear immediately. Yields are holding steady, and the traceability data is updating globally in real time.
Towering stacks of premium Himalayan pink salt bottles, gourmet crystal jars, seasoning blends. supermarket shipments are accurately redirected. Flawless logistics across the European sector.
Flavor meets visual elegance. Professional kitchens trust premium ingredients.
This salt really makes a difference. It's absolutely delicious, isn't it?
The transformation from gigantic Himalayan mountain boulders to elegant kitchen essentials is complete. What?
This smells amazing, babe. Are the eggs ready?
Almost. Pass me that plate, will you?
The same salt adapts to completely different cuisines. One ingredient travels through countless traditions. Flavor becomes a universal language. Online orders appear on giant digital screens as robotic systems pick individual jars and pouches from automated shelves.
Do you want the salt for the soup? Yes, thank you. I think this will be good. It smells wonderful already.
Watch the pallet jack. Got it. Need help with these grinders? Yes, stack them over here.
The hydration level looks perfect on this batch. Yes, the elasticity is exactly where it should be before the final proof.
These findings will significantly improve the extraction yield.
Yes, the new methods are showing great promise for sustainable production.
Another 1,000,000 bottles. Yes! And look at the pallets, incredible.
Most people never think about the incredible journey behind each crystal. The ingredient performs its job silently every day. The story builds anticipation for an entirely different cinematic ending. The final chapter is ready to begin. billions follow the exact same path every day. One crystal tells the whole story. One ancient mineral quietly supports countless industries. Its influence extends far beyond the mine.